Well, this is my new drill, my new rotary hammer drill which I bought some time ago. I have it shipped, but I had to have it shipped to me because I live in Jamaica. But unfortunately, when I got this, it looks okay until you try to take out the bit you put into it. For example, I have these SDS Plus bits. These SDS Plus bits, and when I put it in, it doesn't want to come back out, even though it should be easy to take out. But let me show you. Okay, goes in. Works, but when it comes time to try to take it out, it does not want to come out. Then it does not want to come out. The only way I even got the first one out back, I had to put some engine oil in it, and still have to struggle to get it out of it constantly, so I had to depress the release to try to get it out. It's not coming out.
This is my DEWALT, you know what. I'm very proud of this piece of tool. Right now I'm trying to cut some cement here to put in the beam. Concrete, actually, put in the beam. And this fella is working like a dream. Not backing down. Not backing down.
Con que esta pieza, al parecer debe ser de un material de baja calidad, se encontraba quebrada, por lo cual dejó de funcionar este taladro. Pensé que por la referencia que había visto en los videos, esta también está rota esa pieza. Pensé que por la referencia del video daba calidad del producto. Aquí está sometiéndome a abrir este dispositivo y me encuentro con ese daño. Ya me ha pasado con otras herramientas DEWALT. Pensaba que la marca vendía calidad, pero lamentablemente no ha sido así. Ya me ha pasado con una sierra y con una multiherramienta.
Amor, vamos a la carnicería, ¿no?
automation and can save you hours a week. When I first started my real estate business, I found myself buried in admin, certain expenses, chasing payments, and trying to figure out cash flow. And then I discovered Zero and everything changed. With Zero, I can access my finances from anywhere. Whether I'm in an open house or meet a client at a coffee shop, the automatic invoicing feature has been a lifesaver. I don't have to manually send invoices or reminders anymore.